Okay, let me tell you a little bit about my channel. I started it off as welding inspection, but as you can see on my channel, I've got a whole lot of stuff. I remember one day I was in my class teaching my students a CWI course, and one of them said, "Hey, Mr. Lewis, hey, you need to change your channel." I said, "What should I change it to?" He said, "You should call it welding and stuff." I said, okay. He said, because you got a lot of other stuff on there, man. I do a lot of videos on how to do things because when I buy stuff, I usually just throw my instructions away. Either like putting a programmable door lock on, fixing my cars. You know, we got an Infiniti, the BMW, Mercedes. Got two Tundras here, which I love my Tundras. And we had a Ford Mustang, and I got rid of that thing. I had it since 1996. But also on my channel, you'll see videos on how to do things like cook turkey legs, collard greens, cornbread, um, everything. And me and my wife, we're going to be doing a lot of traveling, and we put stuff on there about stays at hotel. You'll see a lot of stuff on restaurants we ate at. We're doing reviews. So as you can see, I'm just taking a little walk here around my neighborhood. So subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Also, you don't know what video may pop up next. I do some political videos also. So let me know what you think about my channel and subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day. Live life. You only live once. Enjoy every moment of it.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.